Hello friends, write assembly level program to add two numbers stored in memory. So this is the memory location. So it is 00, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to start use memory location from 2000, so you can write over 2000. Okay, so this is the memory address 2000. So you can update the memory from here. So these all are general purpose register. So it stores only hexadecimal values. Accumulator B, C, D, E, H, L. These all are the pairs. Now, as per our definition of the program, first of all, I have stored two numbers in memory location. So first of all, memory location is 2000. So you can see over here the memory address is 2000. Store number it is 05. So update memory. So you can see over here this is 5. Now increase the memory location 2001 add 3. This is 0. Now update the memory location, it is 3. So 5 and 3. Now write the assembly level program. First of all, load accumulator. You also can write uppercase or lowercase both. LDA 2000. Now move B, A. LDA 2001 add B, STA 2002 alt, or also you can write RST5. Now see this program. I will execute step by step. First of all, so I am not saving this program. So program assembled successfully. If any kind of error inside this program, so you can check over here. Now first of all, load the accumulator of the memory location 2000 data. So this is the 2000 data is 5. Now this is the accumulator content. Now check 2000 location data will be stored inside the accumulator. Now move B, A. So this is the source register and this is destination. So value of A stored inside the B. Now it is 0. So it will be 5. Now check 05, 05. LDA 2001. So it means memory location 2001 data stored inside the accumulator. So it will accumulator will be 3. Now check. This is 3. Now addition B. So add register B data with accumulator. So value of accumulator is 08. Now store the accumulator data inside the memory location 2002. So you can see over memory location 2002 data is 0. Now see this. So it will be 8. So this is 8. Also store over here. Now RST 5. So my program is stop over here. Now program execution step by step. Data load in accumulator 05. So as per my first instruction, data move into register B. So this is the source and this is destination. So register B stored 05. Data load into accumulator 03 from 2001 location. Perform addition. Data of register A accumulator and data of register B. So this is 03, 05 plus addition. So add B instruction. Answer in accumulator 08 after addition. This is the answer. And answer in decimal 08 stored at memory location 2002. So it is STA 2002. You can check the program again. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel on YouTube, Chirag Bhalodia. Thank you.